What a beautiful day today. Taking the dog for a walk. Got some big plans for the day. May go to the pumpkin farm, do some Halloween props, work on them I should say. Stuff like that. If you're not doing anything, stick around. Still trying to figure out what I want to do with that pallet. Haven't decided yet. That's my pumpkin patch I grew this year. That's the free chair I picked up when I was out on my walk a couple weeks ago. I'm going to use that to create my human combustion prop. Should be neat. A sneak peek of the fireplace piano I've been working on. Been working on it for about the last week. Still need to finish it up, but it's coming along great. I'll make a whole how-to video of it, so look forward to seeing that posted sometime. Not sure when, but it'll eventually get out there. So decided to come out to a country garden, Miller's Country Garden. Check out the pumpkins and the fall stuff that they have here. It's a beautiful day. They do offer hay rides out to the pumpkin patch, but I'm not sure if they've started those yet. I see the wagons, but that might not start until maybe next weekend. Not sure. I'm guessing that next weekend is the start of their big fall festivities where they have games and the hay rides and vendors and stuff for the families and people come visit and partake. It's actually kind of neat that this is so close to where I live at. It's almost within the city limits. If you can see behind that tree line there, that's the residential housing. And this location here is only about 5 minutes from my house. And then down the street, about another 5 minutes or so, is Lanner's Pumpkin Farm. And they operate in the fall and they have everything. They have the pumpkin throwing, the trebuchet, zip lines, hay rides, petting farms, bouncy houses, food vendors, all that fun fall stuff. I'll probably try to go out there this fall too. But this is really cool that they have stuff like this so close to the house. So that was really busy in the shop there. I did buy a few things. I bought a peach fry pie, some apple cider, and a cool metal pumpkin. I'll show you. I thought that metal pumpkin was really cool, and it was only $15.99, so I thought I'd buy it. I didn't buy any real pumpkins or fresh pumpkins. I think I'm going to wait until they have the hay rides, and then I'll go out on a hay ride and pick up some pumpkins. I also have a pumpkin patch at home. I'll do a video on that too. I'm back at the house now. I'm going to tackle that peach pie. Split it in half. My wife has the other part. That is very good. I'll try some of that fresh apple juice or apple cider. That's very good too. Well, hey there, buddy. Hey, Apollo. That's my Great Dane, Apollo. So here's that pumpkin I bought. I thought that was pretty cool. Thought it was a great price too for $15.99. Put a little candle on that, be nice. Well, I think that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.